Okay, as you can see, this is my primer booth. Just some plastic hung up. And this is a dash that I'm going to prime up. These are the fenders. All ready for primer, I hope, because I'm sick and tired of sanding. So I guess we'll see how it goes. Just thought I'd make a little vid about how it's all going. Okay, well, I guess next they'll be all painted. Okay, till then, see ya. Okay, here's everything primed. 2 fenders, one there, and the one there. And the dash. Came up pretty good. There's a few runs, but I'm not too worried about that. Now I can get it reassembled. Then once it's reassembled, I can do the final sanding on it, and it can be painted. Okay. See you when I start getting it assembled. Bye.